Hey Doodles, it's Smurf here. So today we're going through this book here. I've obviously had it for a while. As you can see, it's got like coffee stains on it. Shh, Luna. It's called AQUATICA by Zen Colour. It is published by Hinkler. So anyway, sorry if you hear Luna in the background. She's a little bit off her face. She's on pain medication. She had 10 teeth removed yesterday, so she's just had her breakfast and is about to have some more mind-altering painkillers. She's been hallucinating, I think, because she's been barking at things like the flowers in the vase and the curtain moving. And yeah, she's not quite her usual self at the moment, but it's quite funny. I might add in a little video of her barking at the flowers.
Show them the flowers.
Sorry, as usual in this house on the weekend, I've been interrupted, so may have lost my train of thought, I believe. Is it train of thought or is it trade of thought? I don't know. So I will just try and power through, so if there's background noise, I'm really sorry. Otherwise, it's going to take me half an hour to go through a bloody colouring in book. So I can't remember when I bought this, but I bought this when I was working full-time. So there's a lot of not finished stuff. Does it have a published date? Have a look. 2016. Oh, wow. I think I know this person. Cover design, Sam Grimmer. So there's a lot of started but not finished stuff in it. Plus it's kind of been a community book, if that makes sense. So there's pictures in here my daughter's coloured. And other people have started and that kind of thing. So if I happen to see it in a bookstore, I will buy another copy of it just so I've got a fresh copy so that I can, I don't know, scan it and print it and do it as much as I like. So I haven't quite worked out what this page is, but I think this is supposed to be water. Just floating. I don't know. Flying fish and stuff. So this is the one that I started with my Faber-Castell Classics, and that is featured in one of the videos. So I'm going to get on to finishing this one, so you'll see me finishing that over the next, I don't know, couple of weeks. So there's all sorts of different types of line art in here. Always with the notifications in the background. Sorry, I should stick everything on airplane mode. So we've got a nice montage of seaweed and starfish. To me, like, this is like a mandala, but not a mandala. This one here, I had the Stadler, if that's how you say it, Tri Plus Fine Liners, I think it was. And I didn't particularly like them, so I've given them to my daughter. Yeah, I was trying them out in the book, and you get a little bit of feathering eventually. But they're not too bad in the colouring book. This one here, I'm not sure whether this was me or my daughter. You know, probably just trying to unwind after school or work. But, yeah. Seashells, whales, fishes. What is that? A hammerhead? No, that is not a hammerhead shark. I don't know what that is. But whatever it is, it's pretty cool. Whale. Dolphins. Koi fish, if that's how you say it. Koi. Shark. I know Josie did that one when she was a bit younger. That one there, I think I did. I was trying to, you know, trying different things with my pencils. And these would have just been me stuffing around with the Faber-Castell Classics. These are discus that have been floralized. Little seal, squid. Is it a squid? Octopus. I don't like pictures like this, meaning when they've got a lot of blackout in them. I'm like, well, it's okay for, I don't know, just if it's like a graphic design type thing that is going to be on, I don't know, a product or something, but I don't think they make very good colouring pages. Let me know your opinion of that down below. And we've got some, are these anglerfish or something like that? That's what springs to mind, probably completely wrong. I'm not much of a, I do like to go fishing, but it just ends up wishing, and I don't really know what all of the fish are called. Seahorse, pufferfish, cool jellyfish. I might colour that one next in this book after I finish that fish one that I've started. This is really cool too. See, another one of these ones that I don't like. Like, there's not a lot to colour in them, which might be fun for some people, but I don't know, I just don't like them. More fish. Very cool octopus. More jellyfish. This one I would enjoy, but that's because there is still portions where you can actually really colour in that aren't blacked out too much, and the blackout part is just used as a highlight or to fill the background. I reckon that one would be really cool if it was done like with like neons and metallics or something like that. Some more patterned whales and porpoises. More koi fish. These remind me more of like the Chinese dragons. A voluptuous wee goldfish, I guess. And look, they forgot an anal fin too. Fins. That's a cute fish. It looks sad though, doesn't it? What a little sad eye. Oh. Lonely fish. Shells. Seahorses. Lots of dots to fill in. That looks a little bit tedious. This is pretty cool. The amount of blackout in it isn't too bad. Can understand the blackout in that. That's for the background. So I would still colour that one on. An okay jellyfish, but because of the blackout here, it looks a little bit boring up here. Wow, that's really computer generated, isn't it? This one probably wouldn't be too bad. If they hadn't blacked out these spots and stuff, that would be better. A repeating pattern of waves and little fish. This one's pretty cool. Looks like coral and polyps and stuff. And oh look, you got a Nemo. Clownfish. More fish. And that's it. It's got quite cool cover on it. It's a textured one. But yeah, anyway. So that is the Zen Colour AQUATICA book. Well loved, well dirty. But yeah, if you see this book out and it looks like something you would be into, you know it's worth buying. Anyway, that's it from me today, Doodles. Until I see you next time, keep on colouring or keep on doodling, whatever it is you're into.